Hello and welcome to another Luna Classic video. Actually, I didn't want to do another update, and for everybody who thinks, why on earth is this guy talking about Luna Classic? I always try to fulfill as good as possible the channel member requests. You know, if you're a channel member on Discord and Telegram, you can put requests in for coins. I can't always cover them all. It just physically isn't all possible. When I see something interesting, though, I try to cover and follow up on them as well. But at this coin, I'm only covering because of member requests. And there have been quite a few, actually. And I only covered it yesterday, but I want to cover it again because we hit the target. And I just want to give you an orientation where we're heading, in my opinion. Take the TA of such a coin with a pinch of salt. Yeah, I said that yesterday. However, I think I've made so far two videos on Luna Classic on this channel. In both videos, the targets were reached, yeah, and the scenario worked out. So I think it's worth just following up on it. So overall, still, where do we come from? This is the daily chart. Maybe let's go to the 4-hour. And here on the 4-hour chart, you can see that from the low that we came down to in May, we actually moved up in a wave 1. Here we came down in a wave 2, and we can assume we're now in a wave 3. Now, based on Fibonacci extension levels and the idea that a wave 3 should at least reach the 1.618 Fib extension, this should at some point get to 0.001. I'm not telling you this is definitely going to happen, but this is what the market needs to do to convince us that we are indeed in a bullish scenario. Because what eventually needs to happen, the market needs to break above, first of all, the 0.0006 level here, that wave 1 high. Then I think we can see quite a strong rally to that 0.001 level. That is absolutely needed. Now we are on a good move or step towards that. From an Elliott Wave point of view, I told you already in previous videos, we moved down a wave W, X, Y pattern to make a wave 2 low here. Yeah. Okay. So it's actually just about a higher low than the previous one. So it's valid. We then moved up in a 1 and a 2. Moved up in another 1-2 pattern, yeah, and I think somewhere here, this is where I made the video before, not yesterday the one, but the one before that, and we expected a wave 3 to the upside. Now that happened perfectly, yeah. We moved up here in a wave 3. I then covered it in the member live stream, I think on Sunday, and said we're now gonna see, with a very high likelihood, a wave 4 retracement, yeah, I think, which also hit target. And that after that we would see a wave 5 to the upside. And I think this is where the level I talked about yesterday, and just a day later we reached the target perfectly. We talked about that 0.00042 level, and yeah, we reached it basically 0.00044. So that's fine. We now expect a larger wave 4 retracement. Now, depending on how bullish the market really is, we have actually already reached the minimum requirement for that. Yeah, so if I draw those fibs, you can see the minimum requirement for such a wave 4 correction is the 23.6% fib level. That was already reached. And the ideal retracement would be the 38.2% fib level, and the 50% is basically the maximum, which we might not see. So the minimum was here the 0.000355 level. The ideal level is the 0.00029. So what I have to tell you, primarily, unless we go above the wave 3 high here now at 0.004486, I have to expect that we get down to the 38.2% fib level, because statistically it is the most likely Fibonacci retracement level for a wave 4. Yeah, so primarily I have to expect it unless we go higher from here and go above the wave 3. Yeah, so basically assuming the highest likely outcome until you're proven wrong. But the most important point is that I would expect one more leg up anyway, and that could very well reach the key resistance here at 0.0005 or even 0.0006. I don't think that in this wave 5 we're already going to break it, but there is a chance that at some point here we're going to break it. And if we move up in a wave 5 now, I would expect a larger correction, because this would complete another wave 1. So this could be a wave 1, then we see a wave 2 and move up in a wave 3, 4, 5, and only that would then complete that wave 3. So in a nutshell, I don't think the wave 4 retracement is over. It could be over. The minimum is done. Yeah, had we not reached the minimum requirement for the wave 4, which was here the 23.6% fib level, I would tell you we have to come lower. But because we reached it, we can say the minimum requirements are complete. Be aware at any point in time we could move higher from here, but primarily I still expect a little bit more of a dip to that 38.2% level, after which we would move higher in a wave 5 to one of these red lines indicated here on the screen. Okay, and that's currently my update about Luna Classic. Again, take that TA with a pinch of salt, take it with a bit of humor. I know it's a meme coin, you could call it a meme coin or whatever. I don't really care about that. It's member request I'm fulfilling here, so hope that was useful. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.